Hello everyone, today's demonstration I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on Windows 10. So let's begin. So let's imagine that you got a fresh copy of Windows 10. So as my previous video, I installed Firefox. Like I mentioned before, typically people will have 2 to 3 browsers on their operating system. So I'm going to install another browser on top of the two that I have currently here. So I'm gonna open up Microsoft Edge, right? And on the URL, I'm gonna type in. Oh wait, excuse me. Not this one. This one. On the URL, I'm gonna type in www.google. There you go. Google/Chrome and enter. Now I'm doing it the long way, right? Which I forgot to explain this in my last video where I was trying to. You can type in Google Chrome here on the search engine, and it should automatically pop up as well. You can also do that with Firefox or any type of browser that you're looking for. I prefer to go on the URL and get it straight instantly. So let's click on download Chrome, and then like I had before, like mentioned before, you can either run it, which will automatically begin the process of installation, or view the download. So I'm gonna do it a long way so you can see the process. So I'm gonna click on view download, open folder, right? And the folder should be here. The download folder is on the left side, which you're gonna see on this side here. Download, and then the Chrome setup installer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna double click and then click yes. Let me just minimize this part here. So going back to what I was trying to say is, I unfortunately couldn't mention this in my other video, but I'm gonna mention it here. You can type it on the browser, on the search engine, type the name of the browser that you want to install, right? Or type it on the URL on the very top. I like to do it a little bit more long so you can see the whole process as well. That was my fault for not explaining it more in detail. Um, for now, I already finished installing Google Chrome on Windows 10. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.